Hey, welcome back to another video of eTechs. In this video, we are going to learn how to find character AI creators. To find character AI creator, you can explore various sections of the platform and community spaces where users share their bot and creations. First of all, open up your character AI and log into your account. On the home page, browse to the explore section. Look for the character tagged with their creator name on the profile. Creators are often created on each character page, typically below the description. Use the search bar to find character related to specific theme. The creator profile are displayed alongside the character they have made. You can also visit the community or forums. Character AI have an official forum for community page where creators share their bots or ideas. Check popular platforms like Reddit, Discord, or Twitter. If you are interacting with a bot and like its design, you can easily click on the creator username or profile link to see other bots they have made. So that is how you can find character AI creators. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.